The next tool on the toolbar is another multiple button. When we click on it, we find the Use Pivot Point Center, Use Selection Center, and Use Coordinate System Center. And this determines where the center is for a given transform, that is, move, rotate, or scale. Let's take a look at these relative to rotation. If we choose Use Pivot Point Center, and we select the Rotate tool, and in the top view, select these three objects. When I rotate them, they rotate individually from their pivot point. So each individual object rotates from its center. If these were grouped, they would rotate from the center of the grouped object. Let's look at the next pivot point. This time we're using the Use Selection Center. Now these three objects will rotate around the center of the three objects. So some point between the three objects. When I rotate now, they rotate around the center of the selection of the three objects. The last pivot point is the Use Coordinate System pivot point. So right now we have the view coordinate system, so if I go to the top view and use the Rotate tool, it's going to rotate around the center of the coordinate system, which is where those two dark lines converge. And if I rotate in the left view, again it'll rotate around that center point. And again in the front view, it'll rotate around the coordinate system center point. So you can use this tool to affect the way your transformations occur. Normally you'll have this set probably to pivot point center. But if you have objects that you want to rotate all at once, you can use the selection center or the coordinate system center.